I just thought I would come on really fast and do a quick shopping haul video, okay? So I don't have the exact price of everything that I paid for everything, but I can tell you that overall I spent $70. So this is what $70 buys all vegan diet. So I got some limes. I'm telling you what I bought for $70. This is my shopping haul today. I went to the Asian market and I went to the farmer's market. So I got some limes. I got some avocado. I'm pretty sure the limes were $1. I live in New Jersey. I got a bag of avocados. They were $4 for this whole bag. I got seafood mushrooms. These I'm going to put into a bowl today. I'm going to saute them up, put them into a bowl, season them up with some chili crunch. Seafood mushrooms. They taste a little bit like seafood. This is a vegan haul. I went to the Asian market and the farmer's market today. I got 3 mangoes, which would be really good in my bowl. And I can't remember how much they were. I think it was 3 for $4. I got some curry sauce because I'm going to make some curries out of some eggplant. Okay. I got chili crunch because I was out of it. I like to season all kinds of things with chili crunch. I got soy sauce. Got organic soy sauce. I got some onions, some cabbage, again, Asian market and farmer's market. Got 2 sriracha. They were $1 a piece. They were on sale. I got some grapefruit. These are only $1.19 for 2. And this is a $1.19 for 3. So I was like, did somebody grab one of my... I don't know. Okay. These were $1. Make smashed cucumber salad out of that. And I have got a bunch of organic apples. These I will juice with green leafies and parsley. I was out of rice wine vinegar, so I got some rice wine vinegar. I got some white vinegar because I was just out. And I got some Jersey tomatoes. These were 2 for $1.44. Then I got some yellow Jersey tomatoes. And this was on sale, 51 cents for oyster mushrooms. That's a good price. And I got some tricolored carrots, which is awesome. I will candy those. And I got some more apples because I'm going to do some good bit of juicing, and 3 corn cobs. All of this for $70 at the Asian market and the farmer's market. So that is what a vegan haul looks like.